Good morning, everybody. Rick here. Today is Thursday, July 5th. Time is 9:39 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So, hope everyone had a good 4th of July. So, it's been a while since I've been in front of the microphone. I have been paper trading since Monday, and I am still paper trading today. Still a bit rusty. So I sat down just a little bit late this morning, but this was looked like a pretty decent reversal sequence that ran up into here, 86, 66, 76, 86, 80 was the turn point, so that fit within a 9 to 19. Now, the thing is, my charts was not up. So they had shut off overnight at some point, so I was not able to get the numbers there. I sat down about 8:15 Eastern Standard Time, so missed this trade entirely, but I can pretty much imagine what had happened there as far as some type of a flush sequence. Traps and all that good stuff ran up here to the 5 deviation line and has pushed on down. I think we are within 80. It's hit the 100 tick mark already, and it's starting to approach the oversold area there. So volume starting to pick up just a little bit to where it's expected. So obviously yesterday, because it was the 4th holidays everywhere, nothing was going to happen. So right now we are just going to just look today. I don't think I'm actually going to be getting into any trades today as I missed the big push down. We may actually be able to pull a few dollars off of some type of a reversal. Well, play dollars anyway. So we'll see. It's getting on down here into value area, low area, and then the 200 period average is where Apex is value area low is sitting. So there's a lot of volume sitting between 62 and 71 right now. So at that point, we'll just kind of see what happens. So pulled up my 1440 minute chart just to kind of go back and look what's been going on. And yeah, we've been in a pretty decent bull run for a little while now. Since, what is this, the 19th of last month, June 19th, and it's just been pushing up and up and up. So, as far as how to gauge all of that, it's really minute for day trading, but for swing traders and things like that, it's could be pretty significant. I don't even know how far back this goes into some type of area of resistance, so it's hard to say. I got to pull up the weeklies and look at that stuff on that one there. So that's pretty much it. So I'm just kind of watching now, utilizing my rules as far as entries and things like that, and always practicing risk management and going forward from that point there. So some of you guys have caught my tweet lately that I put out yesterday that I'm actually considering starting a live trade room and doing some course videos. So when I was at a VidCon, I learned quite a bit of information, and that's not what really pushed me to really start considering this. As you guys know, I've been retired to some degree for quite a while now, and I enjoy just a nice, quiet, private, simple lifestyle, but I'm really starting to feel the urge, the responsibility to put some information out there that will help some of you guys that will hopefully become more consistently profitable. And I think a lot of that has to do with trading psychology for one, and doing very few things. So I mean, there is millions and millions of assets, well, not millions, but there's a lot of assets out there that's making millions and billions of dollars. And people are trying to focus in on way too many of them. So I have a thought process. I've been writing some course videos down, but I've been studying a few as well. Obviously, I don't watch many courses anymore, but I think I have something pretty original that can really help you guys out. And I actually learned it from some of my, back in my weightlifting days, my hardcore weightlifting days. I learned some fairly simple techniques to really help become consistent in the weight room, and it really dovetailed over into everything in life, including trading. So I want to see if I can put some of this stuff together in video formats, and that's strictly related to trading and the psychology behind it, and risk management and all that good stuff, and hopefully get some of you guys on the right track that are struggling just a little bit. So but that, it's just a thought right now. It's just a concept, if you will. And I'm really thinking about pushing forward with that. Now, with that said, trading is always going to be my first priority when it comes to this. So, I don't want to negate what I do here, because this is for my family and they are the number one people in my life. So, they come first and foremost. But in the same interim, I want to really start looking out after some of you guys have been following me, giving me words of encouragement. Yeah, even the so-called haters that I get. So haters just let me know I'm doing something right. So to really help you guys out, as far as the goal is to really develop your own sense of trading, your own strategy, even if it dovetails off somebody else's, to where you feel comfortable. And that's all I've done over the years. And I've practiced other people's strategies until I felt comfortable enough to really develop my own. So that's in a basic sense of what I'm just saying. Obviously, there's a lot of pieces in the middle of that because it's a progression. So that's my thoughts right now, guys, and we'll see if we can go ahead and go forward with that information and to get it out to you, and hopefully, put some dollars in you guys' pocket, because winning at life is just such a beautiful thing, and genuine people really want to root for each other, and I want to root for you guys to be the best that you can be. So, and I think I probably can help in that, being that I've been in this game for a long time, but I don't see it like people out there that's just selling programs without actually being true traders. So I am a true trader first. I fought the urge to really put anything out there anyway, because I didn't want to be associated with that group of people. I mean, granted, there are some quality programs and courses, seminars out there, as they're few and far between, but there are some quality ones out there. But I didn't want to be associated with that group of people, as I like a nice private life, and just the exposure itself, it's going to bring on some negative energy and things like that I just don't want in my life. But in the Spider-Man movie, it said, with great power comes great responsibility, and I really feel that this is probably becoming a responsibility of mine to be able to do this for you guys. So stay tuned. Might take a while to get this stuff together, because this is a brand new genre of information that I have to learn. So, but like everything else, I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos on producing course content and getting it out there, marketing it to you guys and things like that. So, man, that's it for the moment. So I'm just going to sit here and watch these charts. Kind of like when I first started learning order flow, that's all I did was just watch and watch. I wouldn't make any trades because I didn't know what I was looking at the time. But now it's just second nature. But it's like everything else. You don't use it, you lose it. So, even taking a couple weeks off like I did. Actually, I think it's closer to 3 now. I don't know. Been gone for a little bit. So, gotta sharpen the knife again, sharpen the iron. So, all right, guys. I'm gonna pause the video. This may be a wrap up though, so I just wanted to put my thoughts out there and let you guys kind of know where I'm at and go forward from that point there. So it's been a really profitable year, and but like anything else, burnout can happen if you're looking at something repetitively and in a monotonous way day in and day out, because trading is very boring for me, but it's exciting in the fact that it allows the freedoms that I'm able to provide for myself, my family, my immediate loved ones, things like that. So, all right, guys, I'll be back in a bit, and we might actually be able to get into a trade. It's for, I don't know, 10 ticks or so. All right, be back in a bit.